How to create free Apple ID. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create free Apple ID. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So I'm going to show you a method that you can use to create your free Apple ID from anywhere. So just open up a web browser and simply search for apple.com, or what you can do is also type in account.apple.com and hit enter, and it should take you to this website. So let it load, and there we go. So after you're on account.apple.com, you can tap on this drop down button right beside Apple account, then tap on create your Apple account. From here you can start creating your Apple ID. You can start by typing your first name, your country and region, your date of birth, your Apple ID which you're gonna create and use, and finally your phone number for a verification. You can choose what you want to verify with a phone call or a text message, and finally enter the captcha there and tap on continue. And with that, you'll have created your free Apple ID. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.